What will the first spirit will do by the commands of the Satan before the February start? This first spirit will enter into this world and reach the young generation who became teenagers. Okay, I saw in their hands there is a perfume. Okay, so each spirit carry one perfume. Okay, so this first spirit reached to the young generation, either a boy or girl, and reached to them, and this spirit sprays that perfume upon them. And what will happen after spraying the perfume? The first spirit sprays the perfume upon the young generation to knock their doors. Okay,